Okay, hello my guys, ni ndani ya NC Alpha Media na leo ningependa kuwahalikisha kwenye interview yetu, and with me today niko na one of the best teachers around. So, can you introduce yourself tafadhali?
Hi everyone. As it has been said, I'm teacher Brian Odongo. I do handle mathematics and physics. Glad to have you today.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to the Alpha Media, as I told you. Na leo tungependa kuangalia masuala hasa ya hisabati. Najua kwamba it is kizungumzi kwa watu wengi. So, mwalimu, hii ari ama uzoefu na uzamifu katika hiki kisomo cha mathematics kama hisabati, ulianza lini? Vipi safari yako ya kufika hapo imekuwa vipi?
Shukrani sana kwa kunipa fursa hii katika mkutano huu. Sasa jambo la kwanza ambalo nataka kusema kuwa katika msafara wangu huu wa kufunza hisabati ni kitu ambayo nimeanza kitambo kidogo, na nimekuwa na changamoto hapa na pale, haswa watoto wetu wa kisasa jinsi wachukiavyo somo la hisabati, lakini nimekuja na mbinu kadha wa kadha ya kuhakikisha kuwa wanafunzi hawa wanahusika pakubwa sana katika funzo hilo.
Okay, honestly speaking, I think you heard of KJSEA, is it?
Yes, sure.
So I think you had the main challenge was mathematics.
Yeah, sure.
Can you comment over the same?
Yes, in fact, when the CBC, which is our current CBE, came in, it was having a lot of confusion because at first they were saying mathematics should be optional. Then it acted as a big surprise, honestly, to me, because when you look at the current world we live in, math is very, very important and core in our day-to-day life.
Yeah.
So making it optional literally could have made so many learners opting out of mathematics, maybe due to the tendency that math has some challenges here and there. But glad to the Kenyan government that after deep consultation, they came into an agreement that math should be a compulsory subject.
Okay, thank you. But can you break it down? How can you comment over the mathematics that has been flowing over? I mean, on the internet, people are complaining. How can you comment?
Okay, thank you. I don't think we deserve to give complaints, because what I know, as long as the teacher has prepared his or her learners well, then the learner should be very ready to face any paper. So unless the teacher didn't prepare the learners well, is when the teacher is supposed to give some complaints. The paper was very standard as per the curriculum. Thank you.
Okay, honestly speaking, I know mimi wewe pamoja na yule pale, labda hili somo lilikuwa kizungumzi kidogo, hasa tukiwa pale shuleni. But Mr. Brian is with us and he's going to give us the solution to mathematics as a subject. So mwalimu,
yeah,
I know there is a mentality and there is an attitude.
Exactly.
That is very negative. That mathematics is one of the hardest subjects. Yule mwanafunzi pale mwenye amekuwa na hiyo hofu, alafu he has developed that attitude. One word of encouragement.
Oh, right. What I can tell to a student anytime is that math is one of the easiest subjects. Just imagine, with mathematics, you can get an A with almost all answers wrong, but with correct working.
Okay.
A very simple subject.
What do you mean by saying that you can get all the answers wrong, but the correct working?
Okay, maybe you know that the final mark that's normally awarded is based on accuracy. For example, you've been told to express your answer to 4 decimal places, but you ignored that bit and you wrote yours to 5 decimal places. So you lose that mark, but correct working, still earning you some marks.
Okay.
Compared maybe to other subjects like biology, a slight mistake is a 0 in that question. Mwalimu akisonga mbele.
Okay, thank you very much. So I think you've heard of this video.
Yes.
But before we go into that, can you give us the journey? Your journey, since the word go, as you came in to like mathematics. Where did you start? Was it something that came just as a passion, or is it something that somebody was forcing into your system?
Oh, thank you. I wasn't born literally liking mathematics. I remember in class 4, there is a time, gone are the days whereby if you fail mathematics, a teacher could go hands-on you. Yeah. Then I think I was one of those guys who are being mentioned, and I was in an up-country school. So the pass mark for mathematics was 40 and above. And by chance you get below 40, then that's the day you could have cast forever in your life. And I think I was given an opportunity to go and get some canes there in the street so that I bring and we get worked on.
Yeah.
And I felt so much disappointed because to my expectation, I knew I could get below 40. So I was like, mbona nilete kiboko kikubwa na kitumiwe kunipigia mimi. So I just picked a very, very small cane and giving it to the teacher. Mwalimu aliona ni kama madharau kubwa sana namfanyia, kisha akanilaza kwanza chini kabla hata angalie matokeo yangu. Shukrani kwa God, because after that, trust me not, I had the 40%. Then mwalimu akaniambia, the 40% you scored has saved you. From then I came to realize that math is a very, very simple thing. I can also make it. Then I proceeded well with that positive mentality. Then I remember one time when I was in Form 2. I can't forget the name of this mathematics teacher, whom I love till to date, but for security purposes, allow I don't mention the name. I scored mathematics 46%. And that time when I scored 46%, if you allow I quote, mwalimu wangu aliniita mjinga wewe in front of other learners. I felt so much disappointed. Then someone at the corner shouted, kama hata mimi pia naweza shinda udongo kwa math, mimi ni bazenga. It pained, but there's nothing I could do. But I took it as an uplift force, which made me to develop that mentality and work on one or two things. Thereafter, trust me, math has been my thing, math is my thing, and forever it will be my thing. Yes.
Anyway, before we end our conversation today, mwalimu.
Yes.
So, nataka uambie mpenzi mtazamaji na msikilizaji, je, atakupata vipi? How can you get address to you? Maybe to offer your services to him or her.
Okay, thank you for that opportunity once again. You can find me via YouTube. That is, when you go to YouTube, just search STEM Smart Academy. You will find our channel there where we do conduct free online sessions. That is in STEM for the CBE, mathematics and physics for the high school section. And also you can reach us via WhatsApp or via normal call via the number 07 41 30 43 11. Yes.
Vizuri, ningependa tena urudie namba kwa mpenzi mtazamaji, namba ya simu.
Okay, nimesema kuwa 07
07
41
41
30
30
43
43
11.
11.
Yes.
Yeah. And how much do you charge per session? Maybe in an hour? How do you give out the services? And what do you charge for the session?
Our sessions are very affordable based on how we'll agree. But normal charges on a fair ground, 500 per hour is quite fair if it is online. And if we do the physical one, it is 500 plus the transport.
Okay. Where are you currently? Can you pin your location?
Oh.
That mpenzi mtazamaji atajua vipi na lini unapatikana.
Okay, shukrani sana. I think I'm based in Nairobi, but being that we are in the 21st century, everything is now moved to online. Anything that we can do physically, I have a team that is highly experienced as an IT support team that can facilitate everything, even the simulations, to make sure even the online thing looks more like real, just like the physical one. Yeah, sure.
In Facebook handles, WhatsApp handles, Instagram, IG, that is Twitter and X, watakupata kwa jina
STEM Smart Academy.
STEM Smart Academy. Tafadhali mpenzi mtazamaji, kumbuka kwamba ni Alpha Media na hii ni sauti ya Africa Presenter. Nimefurahi sana kuwa nawe, nimefurahi sana kutangamana nawe. Nakumbuka kwamba ukisubscribe umetisha sana. Yani ndugu yangu.
Kabisa. Make sure you subscribe, like and share our videos so that we reach out to many people and help them out.